Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a review of this newly launched product from Tati Beauty. This is the Blendiful. If you want to know guys my thoughts for these products, just keep on watching. It's going to be my first video for this year and I'm very happy kasi ayan, meron akong oras. Hindi na ko lang to na-receive and actually na-launch na to ni Tati last week pa. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng onting background. So dito sa website ni Tati Beauty, this is the second product na ni-launch niya. It retails for $18. So this is a textured fabric tool na pwede nyong gamitin to apply seamlessly your makeup, both liquid and powder products. So it says here you can use this for primer, you can use this for foundation, concealer, contour, powder, and highlight. So it says here this is a machine wash and dry in a delicate laundry bag or gently hand wash in warm soapy water and rinse thoroughly and blot dry. So do not bleach and do not dry clean. And it is made of 100% polyester. Hindi ko na alam kung paano siya i-pronounce. Talagay ko na lang dito. For the sake of this video guys, since I'm going to use this as my makeup applicator and I'll try my best to use this like from liquid to powder, para maging fair at mabigyan ng justice, I am going to use this. Sa left side ng aking face ay itong si sponge, like yung makeup sponge. And ito naman sa right side of my face is si Blendiful. Tada! So ito yung first na nakita ko. This is Baby Blendiful. Heart shape. Pwede nyo siyang baliktarin so that you can use the other side. Oh, diba? Wow, this is big. Ito guys yung full size ni Blendiful and ito naman yung dry na beauty blender. As what you can see, ito talaga sobrang laki compared to these na maliit. So tingnan natin kung nare-reverse din siya. So pwede din siyang i-reverse guys para pwede nyo din gamitin yung kabila. So mag-a-apply muna ako ng primer using this. What I'm going to use is this Clavu White Pearl Station. This is a Korean brand. Maglalagay lang ako dito guys. One pump. Ganyan yung itsura niya. First impressions, it really distributed the product well sa aking entire face. So this is the aftermath nung ginamit ko yung primer. Sponge. This is already damp, guys. So both of the primers looks okay sa aking skin. Parehas lang din sila kapag ginamit ko yung aking hands. Kasi usually with the primer, I use my bare hands. And of course, clean fingers. Now I'm going to apply foundation. I'm going to use is this L'Oreal Infallible na 24-hour fresh wear. And the shade that I'm using is 445. Okay ba yung kanyang lapat sa mukha ko by using this makeup applicator? So one pump muna. It's dripping. To tell you honestly, it feels weird na ganito yung ginagamit kong makeup applicator sa mukha ko. Pero with this, by buffing it sa face ko, it looks also seamless. And it's very easy to blend by using this. And sabi ni Tati, pwede mong ganyanin. I'm just going to apply it sa face ko. You know what guys? Using a sponge, sobrang gamay ko na talaga. And wala talaga ako nagiging problem when it comes sa pagbe-blend ng aking foundation. But ang napansin ko lang na difference nila is that both of them, nag-dispense ako ng one pump for each makeup applicator. This one, full coverage yung nabigay niya sa akin. Not unlike this side na ginamitan ko ng sponge. Medyo mas less yung coverage niya. Kasi usually naman yung mga gintong sponges, talagang nasisip-sip niya talaga or na-absorb niya yung mga products. Most especially yung mga liquid products. Looking at the mirror, by using these two kinds of makeup applicator, they look so flawless. Next is that I'm going to apply my concealer. I'm going to use this 16-Hour Camo Concealer by Elle. So, ito pa rin yung gagamitin ko, guys. And sabi ni Tati, pwede nyo kasi siyang ganyanin eh. Looking at it, okay siya. And wala naman ako naging problema. No streaky marks or like blotches. So, mag-apply pa uli ako ng second layer kasi medyo gusto kong full coverage. Tignan natin kung okay ba siya. My under eyes looks flawless as well. Wala akong nakitang sticky marks or any unusual na itsura kapag nagbe-blend. Naputol ako mag-film, guys, kasi si baby nagising. So now let's proceed sa powder products. I'm going to apply this L'Oreal Paris Hydra Perfect powder. So itong kabilang side naman, so, later ko na sa inyo, guys, ibibigay yung thoughts ko kasi medyo maingay dahil nandito si baby. So, now I'm going to bronze my face by using this L'Oreal Paris True Much Lumi Bronze It. And this is in the shade of Light. I am going to use, ayan, this side. And tignan natin kung ma-apply ba niya ng maigi yung aking bronzer. Ang dami niyang pumikap ng product, ha, in fairness. So now, I'm going to apply my blush. And the blush that I'm going to use is this Burt's Bees. This is in the shade of Bare Peach. And from this side, I'm going to turn ito. So, para ito na. Ang dami niya pumikap talaga ng product, no? Ang next naman is this Master Chrome na metallic highlighter. This is in the shade of Molten Rose Gold. Si Alex yung maingay, ah. So, ito namang side nito yung gagamitin ko. And this is how it looks like nung pinikap niya yung product. Ngayon, guys, tapos na ako i-apply yung mga kailangan kong i-apply. Like for the base, yung liquid foundation, highlighter, contour, and blush. Ngayon, tatapusin ko lang yung makeup ko and then I'll be right back to give you my final thoughts for this Blendiful. So, ayan guys, I'm done with my makeup and I just applied my eyebrow mascara and lipstick. That's it. By the way, kung may naririnig kayong baby, that's baby Alexandra. I just let her play sa floor, sa carpet. Kasi no one's gonna take care of her. So, I need to bring her and tag her along with me. Kaya kung may maririnig kayong any kind of sound, that's baby Alex. So, I'm going to give you my final verdict or thoughts for this Blendiful by Tati Beauty. If I'm going to describe this, guys, in one word, magical. As in, magical talaga siya. Ako, guys, sa totoo lang, kapag nagbi-makeup ako, kahit na meron akong panahon or kahit nagmamadali ako, I make sure na gumagamit ako ng mga makeup tools such as brushes and sponge. Oo, baby. And for me, guys, hindi talaga And as I was saying, hindi talaga ako nawawalan ng beauty sponge or like ng beauty blender kapag nag-apply ako ng foundation. I make sure na I use this brush for my contour sa nose. Oo. I use this blush brush for my blush on, and I use this brush for my bronzer. You know what, guys? With this product, nagamit ko siya from liquid to powder form ng aking makeup today. Like from liquid foundation, primer, gumamit ako ng bronzer, gumamit ako ng highlighter, gumamit din ako ng blush. Everything looks flawless. I'm not kidding you. As in, it looks flawless. The way I apply my makeup using brushes and sponges, guys, eto, nagawa niya by itself. Like, nakakabilib. Like, na-surprise talaga ako doon. Pero you know what, guys? I'm going to give this more time na matry pa siya kasi I really wanted to make sure na if I'm going to travel, mabibit-bit ko siya na ito lang yung magagamit ko. Kasi you can, you know, wash this, sabi nga ni Tati. Honestly, it's difficult for me to curate the makeup tools that I'm going to bring with me kapag magta-travel ako. And sometimes, I bring a lot of brushes with me, kaya parang, alam nyo na, ang dami-dami kong bit-bit. But with this Blendiful, lahat magagawa ko na sa kanya. This is very lightweight. As in, lightweight talaga. Cons naman, guys, wala naman akong sabing cons right now. Kasi hindi naman siya nagsha-shed. Hindi naman natanggal to agad. Hindi naman siya na-deform while I'm using this. Kasi binibend ko siya na ganyan. And siguro kapag winash ko siya, bibigyan ko kayo ng update, guys. At the end of this video, I'm going to put my thoughts kung ano yung magiging itsura niya kapag natuyo siya. But yes, wala naman akong problem sa kanya as of the moment. By the way, guys, si Baby Blendiful hindi ko na nagamit, pero I'll give you my initial thoughts for this. Actually, yung to touch, yung texture nila, parehas lang. It's just that ang napansin ko, mas dense si Baby Blendiful kaysa dito kay Full Size Blendiful. And ganito yung itsura niya. Ayan. So, yung color nila, this is like blue-gray in person. Tapos, ito naman para siyang brown-black yung color niya. And sa totoo lang, guys, you can use this as well as kung ano yung mga nagamit ko dito. Like for liquid and to powder form na makeup. You can use this for your foundation. You can use this for your bronzer, like Precise, diba? You can use this for your concealer kasi mas maliit to dito sa mga sulok-sulok. And I think this is good for your makeup pouches sa mga bag nyo. Kung gusto nyo ng mga pang-retouch, I think yun yung purpose niya. If you're going to ask me if I'm going to recommend this products, of course, yes. Again, this is for $18. Hindi siya ganun kamura. Pero as compared as to beauty blender, ayun, mas mahal si beauty blender. Pero to tell you honestly, guys, with the multi-purpose use nito, sobrang sulit na nung $18 nyo kasi you can use this nga to different kinds of makeup products. So, yun. So that's it for this video, guys, and I hope may natutunan kayo dito sa video na to. And sana nagustuhan nyo yung aking quick review for these products. So by the way, guys, I'll give you my update for this. Time to time, mag-update ako sa description box down below. If you do like this video, you can click the thumbs up button, and if you want to get notified with my future uploads in this channel, you can click the subscribe or the bell button down below. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next videos. Bye!